Hello, I'm Chief Judge John Morrissey of the District Court of Maryland. The Towson District Courthouse, located at 120 East Chesapeake Avenue in Towson, Maryland, is temporarily moving. On January 6, 2020, all district court operations, including the Commissioner's Office, will relocate to 1 Rolling Crossroad in Catonsville, which is the new Catonsville District Courthouse location. The old Catonsville District Courthouse will remain open for business during this time. The Towson move may last up to 6 months as critical HVAC repairs are made to the Towson Courthouse. For this 6-month period, any court business that would have taken place at the Towson Courthouse will take place at the new Catonsville Courthouse. Any notices that you receive will have the correct location of future court dates at the top of the notice. Please check your notices carefully, as there'll be 2 different courthouses operating in Catonsville for this 6-month period. The District Court understands this may be an inconvenience for you, which is why we've created a dedicated web page to this project. You'll find that web address at the bottom of this screen. Please go to mdcourts.gov/district. There you will find project updates, answers to frequently asked questions, a map, and public transportation information. In addition to the website, you can also email the District Court at towsontempmove@mdcourts.gov with other questions, and follow the Maryland Judiciary on Twitter for more information. We very much appreciate your patience and understanding during this project. We look forward to providing the highest level of service to Marylanders in Baltimore County and across this great state during this transition.